Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself working in Google Sheets and wished you could give your data a little extra emphasis, maybe for a total line, a summary, or just to highlight something important, today's tutorial is for you. We're going to walk through exactly how to add a double underline to your cells in Google Sheets, just like the official docs or reports you might see in Excel. By the end of this video, you'll know how to easily apply a double underline, and you'll be able to make your sheets look way more professional and organized. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Sheet and select the cell or range of cells that you want to double underline. Maybe it's a grand total at the bottom of a column or perhaps a header that needs to really stand out. Wherever it is, just click to highlight it. Next, let's head up to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Look for the little icon that looks like a square with sections for cell borders. It's called the Borders tool. Give it a click. Now, this tool is your main place to control cell borders in Google Sheets, whether you want to add lines around a single cell, a group of cells, or just on the edges. Now, out of all those tiny icons in the Borders menu, we want to focus specifically on the bottom border option. This adds a line just beneath your selected cell or cells, keeping things clean and uncluttered elsewhere. So go ahead and click the bottom border button. It'll look just like a square with a line at the bottom edge. This tells Google Sheets you only want a border below your data, which is perfect for that classic single or double underline look. But wait, we're not done yet. By default, Google Sheets puts in a simple single line, which is nice, but we want that bold double underline effect that really makes your numbers leap off the page. To get that look, just to the right of the border buttons, you should see a style option for borders. Click on it and a small menu will pop up showing different line styles like dashed, dotted, or yes, double lines. Select the double line style. This little touch tells Sheets you want that classic accounting or official report look. Now, with your double line style selected, click the bottom border button again. This tells Google Sheets, hey, apply this fancy new double underline right here. You'll see the change instantly. Your selected cell is now sitting just above a bold double underline, making it stand out with real authority. And that's really all there is to it. The double underline in Google Sheets is super helpful for calling attention to totals, subtotals, or anything you want to clearly separate from the rest of your data. If you don't see the change right away or your style doesn't look quite right, don't worry, you can always undo and try again, or make sure you've selected both the border position and the border style. Alright, if this tutorial helped you give your Google Sheets a cleaner, more polished look, be sure to hit that like button. If you ran into any issues or have more questions about customizing borders and styles in Google Sheets, leave a comment down below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical tutorials just like this one. See you in the next video.